My name is Saarikoski. I'm responsible for UPM Formi 3D printing product line. And let me continue with this introduction to these 3D printing materials that we have. Yeah, as Rolf already mentioned, UPM Formi is one of our product lines or latest product lines for 3D printing. We use wood-based cellulose fiber for bring some extra functionality. And the material has especially developed for 3D printing and large-scale additive manufacturing. It's very easy to use drop-in material, so every print service can use it right away. And it enables a really high definition production. And also what is nice about it is that you can also post-process it like wood after printing. This is just the detailed information related to this high-performance printing. So the cellulose fiber scheme gives some nice properties for this large-scale additive manufacturing, like self-supporting properties, shear thinning. That means is that the material works like a ketchup. So when you start and stop, and also very fast cooling that enables fast printing, but also high dimensional stability and low shrinkage. Then what comes to the post processing of the material, you can really post process it like wood. So milling and sanding and showing is possible with it, but also different type of gluing, painting, varnishing, waxing, and so on. But also you can use this kind of industrial coatings to give some fire and UV resistant improvement for the material. And what this really means when it comes to we come to the boat mold. So as the properties of the material look so good in the paper, but we have tested, we decided to test this material for this boat mold application together with Parexo and RISE. So printing and milling of some vacuum infusion molds. And for the mold, thinking of the really mold applications. So what this means really, once you can do this molds with the biocomposite, this means very waste-free production with freedom of design. And at the same time, you get very significant time and cost savings together that is coming via the 3D printing technology. But when you are using this biocomposite material instead of the fossil-based plastics for the application, you can see also really the high impact in the carbon footprint. And for instance, you get 75% reduction against glass fiber field polypropylene. And that is also very nice property of the biocomposite. And then as Ralph and already mentioned, the material can be reused after printing. So meaning that you can grind the mold down and make it again. And there is no really compromises in the mold performance with this biocomposite. But then now, after this short presentation of the biocomposites, I would like to give the floor back to Sam.